Yorana, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Another video, another release of a new product. As always, I try to bring you the best spearfishing gear, not only spear guns, but also all the gear that are connected to your spearfishing adventure and session. So, you know how much I'm passionate about blades. You have seen my tipi knives, the fillet knives. And now it's time to introduce a tool that I work so hard to bring to life. As always, I try to catch all the good parts of every single tool in terms of materials, in terms of shapes, in terms of design, in terms of let's say usability of it. And it's time to release the joint spearfishing knives. So they come with these two PVC tarpaulin super flat, super light sheaths, and they have these straps, elastic straps that allows you to put them either on an arm, you know, or into a leg, and they're fully adjustable. They come in two sizes. As you can see, a small knife and a bigger knife. But the most important thing is here. The knives are made with titanium grade 5 aerospace titanium. This brings you a super light and extra ultra tough knife to your hands. So you don't have to be worried about corrosion at all. These guys simply do not rust. You can leave them in the water for decades. You will find them the way they are. And they are super tough, as you can see. And they are really conceived to be tough and hyper light, hyper flat. So disappear into your hand, into your arm, or into your leg. So these are two holes that are made to take out the shafts in case they get stuck into the reef. They have one sharp bevel side and another serrated side that helps you to cut the tough stuff. The shape, as you can see, it's very edgy because they are stabbing knives. These are the knives we really need when we have to kill that fish. That's why they come in two different sizes, one for regular reef fishing and one for the big guys out there in the tropics. So another cool thing is that the little guys match perfectly my wetsuit pocket. They are made for that, so you can just hide them here and pull them out while you need it, right? So this is very cool also because, again, they disappear completely and they don't get tangled at all while you spearfish. This is one of the things that I always hate, is to have these big thick knives that are here in the belt or here, and when you have to maneuver a line with a big fish, they can get tangled, they can put you down. So the fact of having a knife completely hidden into your wetsuit is something that can be very good for safety as well. Last but not least, man, at the end of a good day of spearfishing, everything you need is to use your knife to open a good dessert beer. Enjoy.